Altimeter used especially in an aircraft for measuring altitude. Amplifier used for amplifying sound or radio signal. Binoculars used for seeing distant objects. Compass used for finding direction. Dynamo used for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. Cardiograph used for recording movements of the heart. Microphone used for changing sound waves into electrical signal. Periscope used especially in submarine for seeing objects above the sea level. Lactometer used for determining the purity of milk. Radar used for detecting the direction and range of an approaching aircraft. Transformer used for increasing or reducing the voltage. Telescope used for observing heavenly bodies. Speedometer used for measuring the speed of a vehicle. Projector used for presenting an enlarged image of photograph or a film into a screen. Seismograph used for recording and measuring earthquakes. Sphygmomanometer used for measuring the blood pressure. Thermometer device used for measuring temperature. Stethoscope used by a doctor for examining the movements of heart and lungs. Transponder used for receiving signals and transmitting them immediately by its own. Voltmeter used to measure electric potential difference between 2 points. Crescograph instrument used to measure plants' growth. Vernier caliper instrument used to measure external and internal dimensions. Endoscope used for viewing the internal organs of a body. Hygrometer used for measuring humidity in atmosphere. Odometer used for measuring the distance traveled by a vehicle. Microscope used for looking very small objects which cannot be seen with naked eyes. Photometer used for measuring the luminous intensity of a source of light. Venturimeter measures the rate of flow of liquids. Geiger counter device used for finding and measuring radioactivity. Pyrheliometer used for measuring solar radiation. Otoscope used for visual examination of the air drum. Mach meter determines the speed of an aircraft relative to the speed of sound. Bolometer measures the infrared heat. Gramophone used to reproducing recorded sound. Tonometer measures the pitch of a sound. Wattmeter used to measure electric power. Ohmmeter measures electrical resistance of objects. Hypsometer determines boiling point of liquids. Clock used to measure, verify, keep, and indicate time. Digital scale used to measure the weight or mass of an ingredient.